The Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, or OWA, unveiled its redesigned logo. According to the agency, the new logo combines traditions with modernity, reflecting OWA's enduring commitment to OFWs. Our Buen Manalo has more.
The Overseas Workers Welfare Administration, or OWA, formally unveiled its new logo. It symbolizes the agency's unwavering commitment to the welfare of OFWs worldwide. According to OWA Administrator Arnel Ignacio, it's time to have a new agency identity.
Tinititigan kasi namin yung existing na logo para hindi na rin kami makarelate eh. So it's just high time na magkaroon na ng bagong mukha yung OWA.
The 3 stars in the logo represent the strong collaboration between the government, OFWs, and the private sector in advancing the rights and welfare of migrant workers. The sun serves as a radiant beacon of hope, with the 8 rays symbolizing the key functions of OWA. The Philippine Islands are represented through the national colors of blue and red, signifying peace and resilience.
Kitang-kita, tama na, pag tinignan mo pa lang siya, nakikita mo na yung embrace, yung pagkalinga. That counts a lot in this era of bagong Pilipinas.
Mary Vic and Rav J, the couple who designed the logo and hail from Iloilo, also attended the unveiling ceremony.
It shows the unrelenting love and support of OFWs despite the hardships they face abroad. The new OWA logo not only stands for the organization, but centers on the beating heart of the organization.
And I believe that should be something that needs to be well represented. So in the process of research, we really dive deep into who OWA is today. Is there anything that we can improve on, like the way they are being presented in terms of like the logo?
Through this rebranding, OWA reaffirms its mission to be a stronger and more responsive agency dedicated to the needs of Filipino migrant workers. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.